Time to go. Now it was time for us to depart. Yeah, we had to board the ferry and go to Kalangala. It was my first time to go to Kalangala, and it was really an amazing experience. So I decided to shoot these videos to share with my friends, my pals, and also keep memories for myself, you know. So it was really an amazing tour. I'm going to share with you some of the videos I took and the pictures I took, so and you experience what I experienced. Now in this video we're just on the ferry going to Bugoma, and from Bukakata to Bugoma it's a 30 minutes journey. Yeah, on a ferry it's a 30 minutes journey, and it was really short. I expected it to be so long. I feared water. People always told me that being on a ferry is very scary, but trust me, when I was on a ferry this time, it was never. I was just excited. So now we were landing on the ferry. When you're landing, the cars come out first, so it was also some I was just excited with everything that was happening. So anyways, yeah. Now when we reached, the cars had to get off first, so as we go off as well. Kachiringa chitambula. Yes, after the cars and the cyclists went off, other people have to go off, so we had to go off after the cars and the cyclists went off the ferry, and it was an orderly thing. Yeah, we've just left this ferry, so we're going to walk to the place that we're going to stay. Now after going off the ferry, we had to look for rooms where to sleep, and in the process of looking for rooms where to sleep, we had to go to this other docking station. I think it's a dock, yes, or where other ferries come and set off for like unload people and stuff. I don't know whether it's the right thing, but yes, we reached this place, and this other water transport mean that they use to get people from Kampala. Those people who bought from Entebbe, I had, according to the story and the way that someone told us. Yeah, so it was also a different thing. I never expected that too. Wow. So I decided to shoot the sunset, the video of the sunset. It was really an amazing view. Now we had gotten where to sleep, so the sunset I got it from some place, Ssese Resort I think. And then here we were at Mirembe Resort.
we almost went to every resort around to look for places where to sleep. And for me, instead of looking out for places where to sleep, I decided to shoot videos of the lake view. It was a really nice experience. I was just so excited about everything I saw, so I had to shoot the videos of everything that I saw. Anyways, this was my first day. I'm going to do a next video of the second day of Kalangala, and trust me, whatever I experienced is worth seeing.